Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rose Quinn. Today I'm just going to show you how to do this basic skull mask-like look using just a few special effects products as well as beauty products. I'm going to start by using white aqua paint to get the base of the shape that I want. After that, I'm using a sponge to get any extra paint that's on top, and then using a brush with white powder and covering all of that, and then going in with an angled brush using black aqua paint and starting to carve out the features. I'm putting black around the eyes, but leaving a little bit of white in the middle to put red. I'm now using black eyeshadow and an eyeshadow brush to go in and do some of the shadowing of the black features I've already drawn. And then clean that up with a white. At this point, recording jumped over and I just did a simple red line with aqua paint down my eye and also did red aqua paint on my eyelid, and then used a fluffy brush to do the shadowing around my face with black eyeshadow. I'm now using scab blood and going along that line to make it look more realistic. Then I'm using a porous sponge to go in liquid blood around the wound to make it look more realistic. This is the complete basic look. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next Friday.